Long press to power on. There are 3 interfaces for current mode. After turning on, connect the test line plug to the measuring port.
The normal current color and coordinate color display green, indicating that it is in microampere mode. The current is too high and displays yellow. The current is too high and displays in red. The static current of the motherboard is currently 6 UA. The emission current of the motherboard is currently 13 mA. At this time, the interface text color and coordinate color display purple, indicating that it is in milliampere range. The maximum value after pressing the button is 13 mA. Freeze frame display data with a valid value of 10 mA. Be careful not to touch the crocodile clips together and cause a short circuit. To measure, the battery needs to be installed and connected to the waveform meter. Press the function key to enter testing mode. After entering testing mode, the device will discharge the battery to measure the discharge condition. Real-time display of internal resistance and voltage of button batteries. Switch to internal resistance measurement, external button battery. Measure the internal resistance and voltage of button batteries.